Good morning students, this is Monica from Ascam Public School. So today we will discuss the topic loan activities of bank. Okay, as we are discussing the chapter 3rd, money and credit. So loan activities of bank. As we know that loan is created by bank. Okay, so the people who having extra money, like this is bank. Okay, this is bank. And the one side there are people who having extra money, like person A who is having extra money, for example 10,000. So the person used to deposit in bank, okay, and in return bank gave rate of interest to the person. जो पर्सन ए है उसके पास 10,000 एक्स्ट्रा रुपए है, वो बैंक के साथ डिपॉजिट मतलब अपना जमा करता है पैसा, एंड इन रिटर्न द बैंक इज गिविंग ए रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, मतलब उस मनी पे उसको रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दे रहा है. ओके, नाउ देयर आर अदर साइड पर्सन बी हु इज इन नीड ऑफ मनी, उसको मनी की जरूरत है. सो हाउ द बैंक क्रिएट loan? As we all know that loan, or we can say money in the market economy, is supplied by bank. So how the bank supply or create money in the economy? Okay, कैसे create करता है? So first the person A deposit money with the bank, and the other side there is person B who need money, okay, or need loan. So the person go to the bank and apply for loan. So bank give loan to the people and he take some collateral, or we can say security. So bank है वो लोन किस बेस पे देगा? On the basis of security of the person, कि उसको कुछ ना कुछ security है वो बैंक में deposit करना पड़ेगा. Like in security form which can be paper of house, paper of person who is doing job, okay, and it can be in other form like gold loan, etc. So person B give collateral security to the bank and take loan. So how the bank create money? Like bank is, the person A deposit 10,000. Okay, person A have deposited 10,000. So a part of it bank will keep with himself, like 1,000 rupees है, बैंक अपने पास रख लेगा. ए पार्ट ऑफ दिस डिपॉजिट मनी इज केप्ट बाय बैंक एंड द रिमेनिंग इज गिवन हियर ऑन लोन. जो पैसा बचेगा वो क्या है? लोन दे दिया जाएगा. ओके, सो व्हाई बैंक केप्ट ए पार्ट ऑफ दिस मनी? बिकॉज keep a part of this deposit money and the rest give on loan. So why bank keep a part of this money, kept a part of this money? Because if the people who have deposited their money, they came to withdraw their money, so the bank will be able to give return. Okay, so it is kept a part, bank kept a part of this money. Why? Because it is known from the historical experience, all the people, or we can say depositor, who have deposited their money with the bank cannot come at the same time to withdraw their money. वो सभी एक साथ नहीं आते हैं अपनी मनी को निकलवाने के लिए. ओके, सो बैंक keep a part of this and 9,000 is given as a loan to the person B. Okay, so how much of this deposited will be kept with the bank, or we can say how much cash will be kept with the bank, that is decided by the RBI. So who is RBI? RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, as bank of bank, banker of bank. RBI is also known as banker of bank. कि RBI है, that is Supreme Bank, and it is also known as Central Bank of India. Okay, इसको Central Bank of India भी बोला जाता है. And thus RBI decide all the rule and regulation related to the circulation of money in the economy. So RBI gave guidelines to the commercial bank, like commercial bank, PNB, State Bank of India, ICICI, all these are commercial bank. Okay, who deposit people money. We do not deposit our money directly with the RBI. We deposit our money with the commercial bank like SBI, HDFC, PNB, okay, OBC, we deposit our money with the commercial bank. Okay, so RBI do not deal directly with the common people. आम लोगों के साथ डील नहीं करता है. RBI deal with the commercial bank. Commercial bank के साथ डीलिंग होती है and also deal with the government of the country. कि country की जो government है उसके साथ डील करता है. Okay. So RBI decide this that how much ratio of deposit should be kept with the bank. As at present time it is 24% and that is also called cash reserve ratio, CRR. Okay, that is called CRR, cash reserve ratio. So this CRR is decided by the bank and all the commercial bank follow that pattern. Okay, they kept a part of that deposit with themselves and the rest is given on a loan. So a bank is giving loan, taking deposit. So what is the benefit of the bank? As bank take deposit and return giving rate of interest to the depositor, and here bank is giving loan to the people. Okay, so the people who are taking loan from the bank, they have to pay a rate of interest to the bank. वो बैंक को rate of interest pay करेंगे. Okay, so bank charge high rate of interest from the person who take loan and give low rate of interest to the people who deposit their money with the bank. So there is difference between the rate of interest and this difference is the income or profit of the bank. कि ये बैंक की जो rate of interest है उसमें difference है and that difference is the income of the bank and profit of the bank. Okay, so we have discussed that how bank create loan. Okay, so bank give loan on the basis of some securities and there is a system like some CRR as out of deposit is kept with the bank themselves and the rest is given loan to the people who need money. Okay, so this is the process of our banking system, that how the bank create loan. So this is the pattern, that how bank creating money in the economy. Okay, so we have talked about the loan activity, that how loan is generated or created by the bank. So students, read this topic from your book and also watch the video. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.